Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we're going to make tandoori chicken in a pan. And this is a very quick and easy recipe where we have not used any grill, but it's just a pan, and how to make this chicken very tasty, and it came out superbly. So come along with us, see this video, how is it done. For making the tandoori chicken in a pan, first we need to take a bowl and pour 4 tablespoons of curd, for 750 grams of chicken we have taken 4 tablespoons of curd, and that's the ratio. Add 2.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoons of salt, deep cuts in the chicken and then mix it along with the masalas that we have made right now. Ensure that the masalas mixes well with the chicken. At this stage, it's better to check the salt as well as the chili, and if it's less, please add some more as per your taste. Add 2 teaspoons of lime juice, mix all the ingredients once again. Once the masalas are mixed well with the chicken, we need to keep the chicken in the refrigerator for marination for 3 hours. Please ensure you don't keep the chicken in the deep freezer. Once the chicken is marinated after 3 hours, we take a pan, we place it on the stove. Once the pan is hot, we add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. We wait for the oil to get heated. Now the oil is hot. We place the chicken pieces one by one into the pan. Please ensure that you don't place too many chicken pieces into the pan, else there's a chance that the water might come out and the chicken may not be cooked properly. Also, the chicken pieces should be fried on high flame. The chicken pieces need to be fried on high flame for 1 minute. Chicken pieces have been frying for more than a minute. We need to flip the chicken on the other side again to fry it for another minute. Once again, we flip the chicken pieces and we lower the flame of the stove to ensure that the inner part of the chicken is cooked and nice and tender. We have fried all the chicken pieces, and the next step is to make it into a tandoor. For that, we have taken a bowl. We take a steel bowl and place in some charcoal which is hot. The next step is to place this steel bowl with hot charcoal into the bigger bowl. The next step is to place the chicken pieces surrounding the charcoal. After placing the chicken pieces around the charcoal, we need to add few drops of cooking oil onto the burning charcoal. This will give out a lot of smoke. And once the smoke starts coming out, we need to cover the vessel immediately. We need to cover the bowl for 10 to 15 seconds. Now it is 15 seconds is over. We need to open the bowl. Now our smoking tandoori chicken is ready to be served. Now we can place our tandoori chicken on a serving bowl. We can add a dash of lemon to the tandoori chicken and it will gonna taste awesome. This tandoori chicken is a great starter and can be had with green chutney or curd with mint chutney. There's a lot of combinations. But do try out this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below how it came out. Well, we hope you liked watching our video and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find making this tandoori chicken in a pan pretty easy, please share it with your friends and they too can try this recipe. And also don't forget to place your comments in the comment section below. This will really help us to improve our programming content and find newer recipes to try out. Well, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications of our videos. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Happy weekend to you too. Bye bye.